Ate May, gusto namin bumili ng pre-sale pero balak namin ibenta bago mag-turnover sa amin yung property. Pwede ba yon? Yes, pwede naman kayong bumili ng pre-sale. Pero before you think about investing in a pre-sale, you have to think about a lot of factors. Una, yung bang binibili ninyong pre-sale, is it assignable? Ibig sabihin, pwede ninyong i-assign yung kontrata na yan sa ibang tao before turnover. Pangalawa, in case hindi po kayo makahanap ng buyer, kayo ba'y maa-approve for a mortgage on that property? At saka yung pangatlo, in case na-approve po kayo sa mortgage and then you already are paying for the property and you plan to flip it, let's say, in a year's time, pero bumaba yung value ng property. Are you willing to take a hit, a loss on that purchase? So, if you need more information po, please contact me. Ito po si Maylene Lim, ang inyong Pinoy Mortgage Broker.